Hello! I'm going to be making a bird wreath out of grapevine, which is what you're looking at right now. I chose it because of all the little curly bits and bobs that's on it. I think they're cute. So, walnut shells, these are going to be used as the mushroom caps, twigs as their bottom. So I'm going to add mushrooms at the bottom of this. Looks just like that once you glue it together. Amazing texture. So once you get organized, it's important just because I would be hot gluing this stuff together really quickly. So you need a little extra hot glue for this. I find it wasn't grabbing because the walnut shells are kind of hollow and textured inside. So glue and stick and hold for a second, just like that. The middle of the wreath, this is a part of the trunk from the grapevine. They're incredibly strong. I've never used grapevine before for anything. This is my first time. I loved it. This stuff is not easy to break. The bird is a prop that I painted. It was pink or something or the other, which I kind of didn't like. I like spots. As you can see, the bird has spots. Glued the trunk in place and then decided I needed to stick the mushrooms at the bottom. So just need to support it using something. So I had a handful of mushrooms made. It was just going to go at the bottom. Once I figured out where I liked it, hot glued them in place. And I wanted to add eucalyptus leaves. They actually hold its shape really beautifully when they dry. So I highly recommend anybody who wants to use them. I happen to have gotten flowers and they were in it, so I had dried them. The pine cones, basically from nature. When you go on walks, you can find them. So wherever you are, there might be things that dry very well, something that goes with a wreath. Try something new. So once I figured out the alignment at the bottom and where I kind of wanted to place it, I hot glued it in place. I apologize that you can't see me hot gluing it. I think I moved something and it's not aligned where you can see what I'm doing here. So the reveal in 3, 2, ta-da! Isn't this cute? I absolutely loved it. It hung on my door for ages. Thanks for watching.